You're playing, typing, switching apps, and your keyboard just can't keep up. No shortcuts, no control, just wasted time. That's where the LCD AI mechanical keyboard changes everything. With its built-in LCD screen, you get instant access to controls, apps, and custom functions right on your keyboard. Need faster actions? Use macro keys to execute complex commands in a single tap. Want a better typing feel? The hot-swappable switches let you customize it exactly how you like. And with RGB Lighting Plus Compact 80% design, your setup looks clean and powerful. This isn't just a keyboard. It's a control center for your entire workflow. Stop settling for basic. Upgrade to smart.